Hello, first graders. This is Mrs. Schaefer. I wanted to give you a little intro into our spelling words this week. I realized I haven't been doing that, and that might be why we're having some confusion on Spelling City. Because every Friday we always look at our new words and find techniques and tricks to help us spell them. So from now on, I will be doing that so that it helps with our grades a little bit. So this week we're doing ow as in cow and ow as in trout. Okay, so if we look at the first one, cow, we have OW. Town, OW. Mouse, OU. How, OW. Out, OU. Mouth, OU, and TH as in thumb. And then from last week we have born, or as in corn, and roar, OAR. Okay, so those should help you with those. Now we go to our high frequency words. Our first one is color, as in doctor. Early, nothing really there. That one you'll just have to practice. Instead, chunky monkey, I found in. And I have as in bread. Okay. Nothing, there's a little trick. If you can spell no, and if you can spell thing, you got nothing. So just remember, no thing, and you will get nothing. Oh, that one you'll just have to remember. Thought, we have as in thumb. Ah. Challenge words, these are our bonus words. Suddenly, you can remember DD. Scrambled, here we have a three-letter blend at the beginning, and we have ED at the end. Volume, that is how loud or soft a sound is. Senses, that one, there's no tricks there. We'll just have to work with that one. Peer, remember EE. Easter, first we need to remember that it's capital because it's a proper noun. And then I have E as in seat and as in joker. You just need to remember the ST. And our last one is horrible. We can remember the RR, and we can remember that great story that I read with horrible. So hopefully this helps you a little bit more with your spelling words, and I'll be sure to make this video sooner next week so that you can learn the tricks. Thank you.